Hi.
Callie, other direction. Oh, you're right. Never mind.
Wait up! I need to get some.
Ooh, look at Callie's big presents.
What's my old present?
You're going to have to follow your eggs. You're going to have to follow your eggs. Look. Where are the orange and blue eggs, JJ? Where are the orange and blue eggs?
Boing, boing.
Aha! No, the orange and blue ones go in your basket.